Hello and welcome. My name is Kamini. I'm going to give you the tarot reading for the month of May. This is going to be for the fire signs. I'm going to start with Aries, the first fire sign, and I'm going to for the Aries. I'm going to give you the reading for the month of May. Aries, your monthly reading, as I can see, you've got the Three of Swords. Now, this is actually something to do with maybe it can be a health concern. You need to check your health, your heart, how it's working, whether it is the physicalities. You need to just check if you are medically things are good with you, or it can also be some kind of heartbreak. For example, some news coming where you have to part ways, three people parting ways, or there could be some kind of dispute where three people have parted ways. It can be a heartbreak, or it can also be something which is related to the heart. You need to check your heart also, maybe go for a checkup. So take care of your health in the month of May. Okay, apart from that, your love life, or if you're single or you're married, you have the silver waterfall. Now this actually means that you need to change your vibration in terms of your romantic life. Maybe you're taking in a lot of vibrations from outside. Maybe they're not very pleasant or not very um, positive for your love life. Maybe you have some kind of negativity is coming from outside. When you come home, just cleanse yourself, maybe by taking a bath or something, or try to cleanse yourself somehow. Maybe do a little meditation which will clean, which will cleanse the vibrations around you. Maybe in the house you have positive vibrations, outside it's not very positive. So taking a bath, like you can see somebody is taking a bath, you can also take a bath in your house and you can cleanse yourself. Just remove the negative vibrations you're carrying, which you get from outside. So in your love life, you don't want these kind of negative vibrations coming in, so just cleanse yourself a little bit. Apart from that, your advice card for the month of, I do apologize, your advice card for the month of May is the environment card. Now, what it says is that every room in my home makes me smile. So you're very happy with your house, wherever you stay it makes you smile, so keep it up. So that's a good thing. In your career, I see this card coming, hostility, something maybe around you people are not very positive, or they're not supporting you. Maybe you have some hidden enemies around, so maybe you can check what is coming in your career. Maybe people are not very supportive of you, and you need to be careful about that who is supporting you, who is not supporting you in the career field. So check that what is around you. Apart from that, I don't see any problem in the month of May. You need to just see what is stopping you in terms of maybe outside influences in your career. So just be careful in that respect in the month of May. Now this was for the Aries, the Mesh Rashi. I'm going to go with the Leos. Now Leos, your month for the month of May, I see a little bit of tension around you. Maybe you are not able to sleep properly. Some kind of tension in the month of May. You're releasing your tension maybe by getting up in the night. So maybe you need to just relax. Maybe relax your mind. Keep all the tensions away, especially at night, because you might have sleepless nights. So this the tension goes up for some reason and you are not able to so everything is in the mind. Just don't take any kind of unnecessary tensions which you can't handle. Just relax a bit, meditate, and leave it for the next day. You'll be all right in the month of May. Your love life, if you're single or married, you have the soulmate energy, or you're attracting a soulmate if you're single. So if you are attracting a soulmate, you have the right energy, and if you are with your soulmate, you need to be just be there. You have that energy with you in the month of May, and you'll be fine with your soulmate. Now, I see this card, which is this card of spiritual health. This is your advice card. What you can do for your spiritual health in the month of May, you can. This is a card for you. If you can see the card properly, I'm open and receptive to the healing power of divine love. So be open, receptive. Maybe divine love is coming. It heals you from inside. Just open your arms and receive it. It can come in the form of blessings, it can come in the form of maybe actions, maybe thoughts. Just receive a divine healing power of divine love. That's what it is for your spiritually, for your health. It will be very nice for you. In your career field, in the month of May, I see all tied up. It means that maybe you are not not able to move properly maybe in your career right now. Maybe some kind of delays happening, or some kind of freedom not being there in your career, something which is not very flexible for you. You can see this lady is chained a little bit, you can see her. Maybe you want to do things, maybe not able to do it at this point. Maybe some kind of, in the month of May, you don't have that freedom to do it in your career. You're not able to make that choice. Maybe you feel a little bit restricted somehow. Maybe that is the energy that you're carrying in your career also. Maybe you can see what changes you can make to make your career more flexible, to have less restrictions and a little bit more freedom in your career. Maybe the choices that you want to make, what you want to do. Maybe it can be a physical movement, or it can be a mental change. Whatever you want to do, you don't want to be tied up. That's what it says. In your career you want to be more, maybe you want to grow more in your career. So maybe you don't like to be restricted. So maybe in your career field you can try this. Maybe come out of the chains and maybe be more flexible in the month of May. Now for the Sagittarians, your month is going to be, this is your month card. I see the 9 of Wands coming. So you are thinking about your next move. You've made certain decisions in your mind, but you're analyzing those decisions. You want to make the right decision in the month of May, and you're kind of thinking about your next move. So you are very much, what I can say, you analyzing what you need to do next. Maybe because of it's a month of May, maybe you are thinking about some financial or work related decisions that you want to make, but you're kind of pondering whether it's correct or not. So you're thinking about it, analyzing your past mistakes, and you're going to move ahead definitely in the month of May in your career field or in your work field. Now I'm going to go with your love life. If you are single or if you are married. If you're single, you have distorted feminine energy, which means that you're not very happy with your personal life, with your marriage. Maybe if you're single, maybe you've not been able to find that person you wanted to be with, or you're not satisfied with your present partner. Maybe he or she is not understanding you. If you are single, you have not found the person, so you're having some kind of feelings where you're not feeling well, like in terms of emotionally you're like distorted here. Okay, maybe you're complaining a little bit that I don't have this person or this type of person in my life. Maybe this can create negative energy also. So you need to be positive, even if you're getting bad experiences or you're not getting the person that you want. Maybe being a little maybe being a little positive can help you out in that. Maybe you can improve your relationship if you are with someone, or you can make certain changes in your relationship, or maybe you can make certain changes in yourself to get the person that you want. So something that you can do in the month of May. Okay, now in your career field, I see you are getting this card. Now when you get this card, it means that you are a little bit worried about your um, security and stability in your career field. Maybe you are not able to uh, you are a little bit worried about that, but just have to think, I want to get this in my professionally in my career, and I'm going to make those efforts, and I'm going to take those kind of opportunities, and you'll be well off in your security and your stability in your career. Lastly, what is your card? Spiritual health. So what do you need to do to be spiritually healthy? This is your advice card. I notice the beauty of nature every day and feels my soul in delightful, delicious ways. So somewhere nature makes you feel happy, and when you look around and when you see a lot of greenery or plants and all, it makes you feel happy, and that helps you in your spiritual life, in your health, spiritual health. Maybe you are around you can be around nature. Maybe you have a garden. Maybe you have something, flowers around, or something like a mountain or something, where you can just stand for a few minutes and feel it, and you feel better when you're around natural things, and when you're around nature especially. It can also be, mountains, streams, rivers. You can stand for 2-3 minutes and you can enjoy that. That will help you in your spiritual health. You'll feel much more happier, and that will help you in your career also, because when you feel good, it's good in your personal life. Your mood will be good, and everything will function well. So this is your month, the month of May. I hope you've enjoyed my reading. You can give me, if you are if it has resonated with you, you can give me a thumbs up and you can subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care of yourself in the month of May 2020. Thank you.